Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing our favorite non-toxic cleaning supplies, accessories, everything that we use to clean our house naturally. All right, about 3 years ago, we switched to only natural cleaners, laundry soap, dish soap, so things that we're using every day, whether we're cleaning the countertops every day, you wear your clothes every day, and then dishes, you eat off your plates every day. So those things were our first focus in going like all natural and non-toxic. And so I switched everything right away to Thieves because Young Living is what got me into this lifestyle, I guess. So Thieves really does replace every cleaner. I know it's blasted everywhere that Thieves is just like the best, which I do think it is amazing. But since we're moving a little bit away from Young Living, we started branching out. And so I have a few other brands. This is a pretty minimalist cleaning routine. And I don't have like a ton of things to share with you, but I think that's the key, is like keeping it simple and only what you need. That's what we've been focusing on lately anyway. So the Thieves is number one, or the first thing that I'll share with you, not like number one in my heart. But Thieves is a concentrate, and I should have brought the bottle down, but it comes in a bottle almost this size, a little bit bigger, and you just put 1 cap full, which is like a tablespoon, into a bottle this size, which is 16 ounces, and it makes an all-purpose cleaner. If you want to make a stronger cleaner, you just add like 2 tablespoons, but it works for everything, and it is safe for all surfaces. We use it on the floor, we use it everywhere. A couple other brands that we like for this, just like a multi-purpose cleaner, there is a Branch Basics concentrate as well that also makes like everything from this to laundry soap. Branch Basics is non-toxic, and they are a really good resource. They have a blog, and they share all kinds of articles on how to switch your home to natural and why. Like, they're really good at that, and so that's a good resource. I'll put that down below. And then there's also a brand that is apple cider vinegar based that we really liked too. I will say that has a really strong smell of apple cider, so if you are not a fan of that, then you're not going to like it. But I love the concept. It's super basic, and I think it just has apple cider vinegar and essential oils for scent, so it's really good, clean brand too. Can't think of the name of it, but I'll put it down below. So that's our all-purpose cleaner. So this is also glass cleaner, and I meant all surfaces when I said all surfaces, so I just use this on the windows and the glass as well. You can add a little bit of white distilled vinegar if you want to make a glass cleaner and have like a separate, but it's not really necessary. This doesn't streak for me, nor does the Branch Basics one. So this is for windows, countertops, all surfaces. Another thing for all surfaces that we have just recently started using is this Everspring, their wipes. So I got these. I try to be eco-friendly with cleaning stuff, and I'll share a couple of, like, this is what we use instead of paper towels on the counter, and so we tried to do eco-friendly as possible. These are compostable, and we just got a composter, and so that's why I got these, because they are able, you can put them in the compost, but they come in all different scents, and Everspring is a really good brand from Target. It's just convenient to get. It's like $2 or maybe $3 for this, so they're affordable and just really clean as well. They're scented with essential oils, no bleach, no harsh fumes. So these are clean as well, and I really like all of the products by Everspring. We've tried the dish tablets and hand soaps and lotions, and all of their products are pretty good. Next two things are like more bathroom cleaners, and I do keep those wipes in each bathroom too, just to quickly grab and wipe the counter or the toilet in the bathrooms. So that's something that I found was really helpful, because I was just carrying this around to all 3 bathrooms, and then my paper towel if I'm doing the glass, and then microfiber, and so I just like having the wipes in each bathroom. Okay, the other 2 bathroom things, we get this from Thrive Market. It's their toilet bowl cleaner. It's tea tree and eucalyptus. It's non-toxic. It has a list of the things that it's free of, and it smells good. I love tea tree and eucalyptus, the scent of that. This also has, let's see, water, citric acid, glycolic acid, xanthan gum, tea tree, eucalyptus, and limonene, which is like a citrus constituent, I believe. So I guess just added for fragrance. Next bathroom cleaner is this kitchen and bath scrub. This is Thieves brand. This is like a non-toxic soft scrub. And before I was just making a soft scrub with thieves and lemon and baking soda, and that worked really well too. I think that's the thing with a lot of Young Living products, is they are really easy to duplicate on your own at home, making like a DIY version. So that's a good thing to keep in mind. If you want to make this on your own, just like I said, I have the recipe in a blog post I'll link below. This is kind of just going along with that blog post that's been up forever, but it's easy to make and really cheap too. Baking soda is just the cheapest, best cleaning product, and white vinegar. So this one, you can literally just use it on anything. I use it in the bathtub the most, but it sprinkles out just like soft scrub. I think, is that what I'm thinking of? Or Comet. I'm thinking of Comet, I think. This is the non-toxic version of that. But anyways, it really does good scrubs, and the cleaning power of citrus essential oils is amazing. I'll talk about the essential oils that I like to add to cleaning stuff in just a minute, but I share these briefly. These are just from Home Goods, but microfiber, and in different sizes too. So this is like a washcloth size. I have the hand towel size. These are amazing for cleaning. It's like my favorite thing to clean with ever. It's like a 12 pack for $5 or something at TJ Maxx. I'll link some though, or some in the blog post are linked. This is another thing I just recently got, I think at Aldi, but I thought it was really cool. It's recycled coconut, just like a scouring pad, like a scrubber, and it works really good on different like pots and pans and on the sink, and you can also use this in the bath. So I like this too, and I like that it's recycled. So got that. I will try to find one of those and link it too, but that I got at Aldi. So okay, this couple of things are accessories that we love and have been using for a long time. These are tried and true. I cannot live without the next three things on this, or in the list. So this is our robot vacuum. It is an Ecovacs D-Bot Series 950. I just dropped something. We've had this for a few years, and it is amazing. I've had zero issues with it. I did have one issue with it. It knocked over a plant. Wonder why. Plants everywhere. But it knocked a plant over and fell on this sensor and jammed it up really bad. So I had to take it apart. But if you're not like good with taking things apart, it was tricky. That's the only problem I've had with it though. It connects to Wi-Fi. It has this dustbin. And it vacuums in straight lines. So if you have OCD like me, it is not like the Roomba where it just crazily vacuums. A neighbor has a lawnmower like that, and it just goes everywhere. I'm like, how is your brain okay with that? I cannot take it. But I love this robot vacuum because it also mops the floor. So this is the thing that it mops with. You just put water in here, or you can put a splash of thieves or lemon essential oil, and then this is the pad that it mops with. And we don't use the mopping function as much because our hardwood floors are destroyed, and I just really feel like it's pointless to keep them mopped. I do, vacuum and spot clean every day and clean with this other mopping device I'm going to show you, and I have a steam cleaner. So with this, I don't use the mopping device all the time, but it is super nice to have as an option because it's doing it for you. It's a robot, so it's really cool. And then the app, it just has an app, and it's, I don't know, it's just super easy to set up, and I love watching this clean for me. Okay, the next two things are mopping accessories. This is our steam mop. I should have just stood somewhere and showed you this. I don't know why I'm trying to lift it. This is a Black & Decker steamer. I love it because it vacuums and steams at the same time. This is the vacuum reservoir container, or what's it called, canister, and then this is the water where it steams from, and it works so well. I like that it works on all flooring. If you have hardwood floor, you just want to make sure it's sealed really well and not in poor shape. Ours is, and I still use it because I've given up hope on it, but it works amazing. It has two different settings, a max mode and an eco mode, but it was like life-changing when I got that because I was either vacuuming first and then just too tired to mop and not, like, didn't care after that, and so I just never mopped, and now I can use that every week and not be like sick of doing it. Next, we use this every single day. I've had it for a long time. So it's Madewell. It's Rubbermaid Reveal, and it is linked in my blog post too, but it's very eco-friendly. These are washable, and then this is where you put your water and cleaning concentrate, and I just put thieves in it, but you can put whatever you want as far as cleaning or cleaners go, and it has a little on the handle, you just press this and it squirts out, and it's like, this is amazing. We use it if you have a dog that drips water everywhere. We'll use that every single day. It's so great and pretty affordable too, and it's like heavy duty. I don't know if it's like made for commercial use or what, but I feel like the Swiffer is so cheaply made, and that's what we were using before. This one is like nice, and like I've said, we've had it for maybe 5 years and it still works great. Okay, lastly, I'm just going to share some essential oils that I like to add into cleaning, and so I have a bunch of recipes in this blog post that are thieves-based recipes. You can just swap out the thieves concentrate for whatever concentrate you're using, like the Ranch Basics or whatever you decide to use, but a lot of them you add essential oils to. So I'm going to share some of my favorites currently. They might be different from the blog post, but lemon is first, and I don't have that with me, but lemon is like the cleaning essential oil. It works like a natural Goo Gone. It works on so many things, but these are all just citrus oils. This is Citrus Burst. This is so fresh. It's grapefruit, lemon, lime, orange, and bergamot. It's like the most citrus bang for your buck. It's so good. That was Simply Earth. Next is just orange, lemon, any citrus oil. I'm just sharing some of the ones we've been using lately. I think orange is just so, it's so bright and sweet, so it's just so uplifting. I love to diffuse it too. Oh, that was the last thing we'll talk about, how we clean the air, because when you're cleaning, you want to make sure you're cleaning that as well. Citrus Passion. This is a Rocky Mountain blend. It's bergamot, mandarin, grapefruit, lime, lemon, tangerine, orange, and balsam of Peru. So this one is a little more sweet, I think. Yeah, this one has more of like a candy smell, which I love, but still so bright and fresh. Citrus oils are the best. They are so good. And then this is Revitalize. So I like to use oils like this, or Purify by Rocky Mountain. I think Revive has one too. Yeah, they do. It's Purification, probably the copycat of Young Living's. But any kind of like air cleansing, renewing oil. This is Revitalize by Rocky Mountain. But this is lemon, orange, black cumin, fennel, peppermint, neem, clove, ginger, Ravensara. I haven't ever heard of that. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is a big cleaning oil too. I should have brought that one down too. Citronella is also known as like a bug repellent, but it's really good for like cleaning and like freshening up too. Eucalyptus, cinnamon, helichrysum, sandalwood, and frankincense. This is a big blend. And lots of, ooh, it smells, okay, kind of like, what is that floor cleaner? Not Pledge, but the Mr. Clean or something. It smells like a cleaner. It smells really, really good. Just fresh and really lemongrassy. So those are just, there's so many options for essential oils and cleaning. I just wanted to share a few because they really boost the power of cleaning and just smell super good. So the last thing I will share is cleaning the air. So I have an air purifier. I'll put a little clip of it here so I don't have to bring it over and show you. The two that we have are by Pure Enrichment, and I highly recommend getting an air purifier. They are amazing, so necessary, especially like us in the winter. We are locked up and closed up for like 6 months of the year, and so all the windows are closed, and air purifying is so necessary. There are a few air purifying essential oils. So Revitalize, that one I shared, Purification by Young Living, and Thieves is, there are studies that have shown that they clear the germs out of air. So make sure you're diffusing and air purifying and using non-toxic cleaners so that you don't have those toxins floating around anyway. Do your part in doing that. This is something that we have switched to be more eco-friendly. This is bamboo made with renewable sources. It's tree-free. This is repurposed. They have paper towel, toilet paper, straws, plates, all kinds of things that are compostable too. And so this is a good option if you're if you need a paper towel, you can't use your microfiber. I can't say that today, on whatever it may be. These paper towels are a really good option. Something that I recently discovered from Amazon actually is to go along with the cleaning the toilets. They have these really cheap, they're less than $10 for a little toilet brush. I will put a picture here so you can see what I'm talking about, but it's smaller and a different shape than conventional toilet brushes, and they work really well, and they're silicone. More sanitary too. You can literally see and clean every part of it, where the brushes with the plastic like brush part. It's like impossible. I don't know, it grosses me out. But I feel like these are cleaner and easier to maintain too, and they're really cute, and they have like a little sticky, you can just stick it right on like right by your toilet. So I love having those too. Don't forget, everything will be linked in the blog post below. Let me know if I missed anything. I'm doing a whole updated laundry video as well. That'll be next. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.